Physics, just one word, but it holds the key to unlocking the universe. Today we're breaking it down, letter by letter, to explore everything from the everyday to the extraordinary, from pressure to photon particles and much more. So buckle up as we dive deep into the fascinating world of physics. Starting with P for pressure, the force exerted on a surface per unit area. We encounter pressure everywhere, from the air in our tires to the depths of the ocean. But physics goes deeper. Take particle interaction, the forces between atoms and molecules that define everything from chemistry to quantum mechanics. And let's not forget powerful pulses, short, intense bursts of energy that light up our world in the form of lasers and radio waves. Next, H is for heat, the transfer of energy between objects. But physics also introduces us to hadrons, the particles that make up protons and neutrons. These subatomic particles are the building blocks of matter. In the macroscopic world, we have harmonic motion, the back and forth oscillation of systems like springs and pendulums. And at the quantum scale, there's Heisenberg's hands, a playful nod to the uncertainty principle, reminding us that the more precisely we measure one property of a particle, the less we can know about another. Y stands for Young's modulus, which measures how stiff a material is. How much can you stretch something before it snaps? That's where the yield point comes in. Once a material is stretched beyond this point, it undergoes permanent deformation. And in graphing physics problems, we rely on Y-Axis displacement to track movement. These all come together in yielding forces, where materials bend under pressure, eventually giving way to something new. Next, S offers us a rich variety. Start with speed, the measure of how fast something moves. But on a deeper level, there's superposition, a quantum principle where particles exist in multiple states simultaneously. In the physical world, surface tension keeps water droplets together, while symmetry breaking explains why perfect balance doesn't last forever. In the everyday world, we hear sound, vibrations traveling through the air, and in extreme cases, we witness shock waves, the powerful bursts from explosions or supersonic flight. And don't forget shifting waves, the Doppler effect that changes the frequency of sound or light as the source moves. Now for I, inertia is the property that keeps objects in motion unless acted upon by a force. Inductance is how electrical conductors store energy in magnetic fields. We also have interference patterns, those mesmerizing patterns created when waves overlap, whether they're light waves or sound waves. Then there's the mystery of invisible fields, like gravity and electromagnetism, forces we can't see but feel their effects all around us. CC is for current, the flow of electric charge that powers our world. Related to this is capacitance, the ability of a system to store electrical energy. But it's not just about straight lines. There's circular motion, the motion of planets around stars, or an object in a spinning orbit. At the grandest scale, we see curved space, where massive objects like stars and black holes warp the very fabric of the universe, as described by Einstein's theory of general relativity. And there you have it, the world of physics laid out through its components. From the basics of pressure and speed to the cosmic wonders of photon particles and curved space, physics gives us the tools to understand everything from the smallest atoms to the vastness of space. So the next time you see a ripple in the water or hear the sound of a car passing by, remember, you're witnessing physics in action. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of physics. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more deep dives into science, technology, and the mysteries of the universe. Stay curious and keep exploring.